thank you for watching this video. I'm excited to have you here on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use seeds to up your health game, how you can use seeds to help you have a very good health. And I'm going to be showing you a practical way in which you can incorporate seeds into your diet, because these things are very important for you. Thank you for joining me. I am Temilolu Adewole, and I do healthy recipes. I do natural health information, and then a sprinkle of home business tips sometimes. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can practically incorporate seeds into your diet, because seeds are very important. Seeds are actually filled with a lot of fiber. They help to reduce appetite for those who are looking at losing weight. Seeds are very important. They help to up your health. Seeds actually help to reduce the risk of coming down with cancer, helps with to reduce tumor, helps to regulate your blood pressure, helps to regulate your blood sugar, and helps to regulate your cholesterol. Seeds are just so important. So I want you to actually begin to incorporate them into your diet. So wait, before I go into showing you practically how you can do it, have you subscribed to this channel? I'm happy you are here, but have you subscribed to this channel? If you haven't, please click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell, so you get notifications from me every time when I post a new video. And if you're gonna get value from this, also hit the share button, share this to your friends. So let's go into what I have for you today. Here with me I have my unsweetened yogurt. I'm going to show you how you can incorporate seeds into your diet. You don't really practically have to take them like that. You can join them in your diet. So I have my unsweetened yogurt here with me. I have two basically seeds that I always have at home. Oh wow. I have my Chia, my flax seed and chia seed. I take them and I give this to my kids also, but I will show you how you can actually use it daily in your life. And here with me I have banana, just to show you. And here is my glass cup. So I'm going to show you how you can incorporate seeds. Seeds are natural, so you don't really need to cook them or anything. So here is my yogurt, unsweetened yogurt. Yeah, so this is it. I have my yogurt here, and I want to put add a little twist to it to make it more delicious. I put in my banana. You can personally put in any fruit you like, any fruit. And so this is it. So what I'm going to do right now is, in case I want to use my chia seed is very good. So you can just have a sprinkle. Can you see how beautiful it is? You can have a sprinkle of your chia seed on it. And if you also want to use your flax seed, you can also sprinkle your flax seed on it. So these are basically practical ways in which you can incorporate fruits into your diet, and also for your kids you can incorporate them. Then aside from this, you can also put chia seed, flax seed into your salads, your fruit salads, your vegetable salad. You can practically use them. Those are beautiful ways of incorporating them. Your smoothies, they are beautiful ways of incorporating them into your diet. And I tell you, when you begin to do this consistently, you begin to see changes in your health. You become more energized, you become more fit, and for those that are passing through health issues, it helps you well. So if you want to know more about this chia seeds or flax seeds, or more about how you can use them, you can reach me through the link in the comment. You can reach me directly. I'll be happy to give you more information about that. Thank you for joining me, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, so that you get information of new videos when I post them weekly. And yes, I have a free gift for you there in the information center. Go click it now. You're going to find it so useful. Don't forget to share the love, share this video to others so that they can also be part of having value on how they can really up their health game. Thank you so much. And yeah, you can go to the next video because you are going to definitely have value there. Bye.